Welcome to Vandana's art class. We are learning a basic landscape painting for the beginners. For that, we have taken our compass and drawn a semicircle. It can be anything according to size of your canvas. In the semicircle, first coat of white and then little bit touch of blue has to be given. So here at random we are showing the white. We are trying to show the surface of moon, and here and there we will show the blue color to show the craters and other things on the moon. We will also draw this kind of shape on the circle and below the circle. This will be our mountain. On the mountain, one tree will come, but before that, we will do the background here. Next color is one shade darker than the previous one. What I have done, I have taken the darkest blue and I have mixed white color drop by drop, and I have prepared lots of shades of blue. So I'm going from lighter to darker. So you can also do this. Slowly we will darken the shades. And start from little top and then you mix it with the previous one so that the shade will look nice and mixing will be better. So now I will mix it with this so that it will look like a gradual change in the shade. This is this shade. It's Camlin Cobalt Blue Hue. This shade. Now I'm using the darkest one which I have to use. And for the last one, I'm going to use touch of black color. This is the black color. This mixed with navy blue. Or you can have Persian blue, any blue. Just mix with this, it will become very dark. I'm using white color and giving here a clean outline. So we have color here. We are hitting it very hard. We want to show fine dots in the night sky. So our night sky is ready. We are going to make the mountain. So we will take black color in the brush and we are painting, but also we are using gray color here and there, somewhere dark gray, somewhere light gray, and somewhere pure black. So it's just very simple 3 colors. Some places use light color, light gray color, because as we all know, mountain won't have same color everywhere. And you can do little dabbing so that it will give you the rocks effect, as if there are rocks on the mountain. So this is our mountain ready. So we are going to make a tree on the mountain. In between, use some gray color, somewhere dark, somewhere light. This much is enough for our tree. And if we want, we can show some hanging roots. So our tree is ready now. We have taken white color in the brush and we are doing dabbing. Taking pink color, you can take any other color. Purple also will look very nice. And just dab on the top of